Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to use a map function to make something stay within its boundaries, basically. Um, in this case, we kind of just want these eyes to stay within, we want the pupils to stay within the eyeballs. So in P5, there is a function that would do this, and that's called a map function. Now let's just see where the pupils are. So this is the left pupil, the right pupil. And instead of having it move with the mouse X, notice the Y values stay the same. So instead of having it move with mouse X, what we're going to do is we're going to create a new variable. Let's just call it X just to keep it simple. And I want my X to really be a mapping, which means I'm going to take the range that my mouse X could be. My mouse X could go from 0 all the way to 400. And I want my mouse X to not be from 0 to 400, right? So that's the low and the high of my X as it is, of my mouse X. And I want to map it to somewhere here. I'll have to play around with these values a little bit. I'm guessing this is, well let's just see. Let's just say that is 150. I'm making a guess. And I want the highest, so the lowest will be 150, and the highest will be, I don't know, let's just say 200. And let's just see what happens there. So, oh, I never changed this. All right, so instead of using mouse X, I'll be using just X. Okay, oh, that was actually pretty good. I could go a little bit lower on the low side. So my 0, maybe I would want it mapped to, I don't know, maybe 130. I can just want to right at the end. Okay, that looks a little strange. Let's do 135. So when my mouse X is at 0, okay, I accept that. And this is a little bit too high, so maybe not 200, but like, let's try 175 and see how that is. So 0. Okay, let's change this to 180. I think that should be good. All right, I think that's pretty much it. However, you'll notice if my mouse goes off the canvas, then yes, it kind of just like goes past it. So to make it stick purely within these boundaries, there's a fifth parameter that you could put in here, and it's either true or false. If you wanted to stay within the boundaries, you put true. Right? And notice that when I move my mouse completely off the canvas now, it stays there no matter what. All right, so just as a recap, map takes an initial range and changes it to the range that you actually want. And this fifth value tells you if it should stay completely within the range and not exceed it. Or if you want that to be false, you could just remove it and then, well, you might get some weird stuff. It might be useful in some cases. All right, hope you're doing something.